Viva. So nice to have you here along following this journey of decorating my home that we just moved in now. It'll be 2 weeks ago now, and I've been putting off this project for so long. As you can see, that mess behind me is my pantry. And I've been dreading it for the past 2 weeks, but it's been so difficult trying to cook and maneuver through this kitchen. So today is the day. The day has finally come, and I'm gonna tackle this pantry project. So, if you guys have a pantry that you've been looking to organize and wanna get into being very functional, this video is for you. I got a bunch of stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond, different organizers, that serve different purposes. So you guys can look through and see which ones function for your space, for your pantry, whatever you need to get done. All right, let's get into it because I've been putting this off for way too long. Let's do it. So I had all the containers just stored over there for the past 2 weeks. Now I'm just bringing everything over. And I'm gonna sort through all the different sizes of containers. And then I'm gonna sort through everything in the pantry and kind of figure out what needs to be grouped where and where everything is gonna kind of go into what. All right, so these are great. I love the spinner ones for spices and oils, just stuff you need to get to quite often. So I got a few of these ones. I also got a bunch of pre-printed tags, like labels, off of Amazon. I'll link these two as well. Just so you have everything ready to go. You can just stick it right onto the canisters, and you have everything from like almond flour, almonds, baby food, baking soda, ready to go. How cute are these containers? My favorite part is that it pops, and that seals it, and then it's so easy to just open it up again with a pop. I love these. Okay, so these are all the containers I am working with. As you can see here, I kind of went a little bit overboard, I think, but I just didn't want to run out, and I just figured if I don't end up using everything, I can just return it. I just didn't want to be stuck with being like having not enough. Okay, I'm gonna start it off with doing some cereals and oats and granola. Okay, let's get to filling. Here's the finished pantry, and I am loving how it turned out. Everything is so organized and exactly where it's supposed to be. Makes my OCD tendencies very happy. Organization just, I don't know if you guys are like me, but organization just turns me on. Like, when things are organized, ooh, I just get all tingly. Okay, let's get in a little bit closer here. So I started off by putting all our oils and vinegars on little spinner shelves here. So you can see this is all vinegars there, and then come down here, all our olive oils, peanut oil, all our cooking oils are pretty much there. And now we have here the spice shelf. We cook a lot in this house, if you can't tell. If you guys don't know, my husband Ryan, he also has a YouTube channel about cooking, so we love food, and these are some amazing spices and herbs that he gets sent. So they're delicious. And here I then move on to onions and garlic section. So garlic and ginger is in there, potatoes there. We move on to broth zone and sauces all up through here. And then I stacked all our cans on that same 3-tiered shelving that I used for the spices up here. So you can see all your beans and all that there. And then once we come down low here is our little baking section. So we have flour there, and then we also have our other bread flour behind there. And I just love these containers. You guys already know about the pop. It just makes it so easy to just get in and out of there so quickly. So this is our little baking zone right here. Baking ingredients, healthy food section there, and then on to snacks. Soleil's section for her kitty snacks there too. And then some leftovers for replenishing. I've just got these big baskets to just put the overflow there, and also up top also have some overflow happening. I just named this one this and that, just for a mixture of overflow to refill the containers. And then here's all our vitamins. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know how you like it. I really love these labels. I love how it makes everything so unison. Just very profesh looking. All right, guys, so this is it. Oh my goodness, we did it. Thank you guys for sticking along through that, getting this pantry of mine organized. I hope you guys found this video super helpful, and I hope it'll make your pantry a more peaceful, functional, pleasant place to be in and to cook and just to enjoy the whole cooking process. If you guys love this video, please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and come on back for some more, because I got some more goodies coming for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.